All right, all right. Um, Welcome back to Danksco Traders Hub. This is Dan here at Danksco Traders Hub. Hope you guys are having a good Friday wherever you are. So as usual, we are here to analyze BTC analysis, just like how we've been doing. This is episode number 23. We are almost making it to 30 days. 30 episodes. So yeah, kudos, congrats to those that have been attending the BTC analysis, and those who are enthusiasts of cryptocurrency world, crypto world. Okay, right now of course, as usual, like in the morning, we had a synthetics trading analysis where we analyze the synthetic indices. Yeah, we are always here Monday to Friday for this kind of analysis. But as of now, we are heading to BTC analysis. So if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe, and of course keep the bell button. Click on the bell button to not miss any notifications whenever we are live on this very channel. Otherwise, let's head over now to BTC analysis. Let's check the charts. All right, so perfect. So the levels that we've been looking at, they've been reached already, and the last time we were here, I talked about this very move. So we saw it, the sell happened just like we anticipated. So kudos, congrats to those that actually took this kind of trade. The first insight was to reach here and then retest there, then come in stronger. But we actually had enough momentum to break through this very area, which was a resistance level right here. It was a resistance level that was here. It was some kind of point of interest. Of course, we can even still see it from this very level right there. Yeah, so we never saw that happen. So what we can do is we can delete it, and now come here, delete all these levels that have already served the purpose. We don't need them. We don't need them. So delete everything right there, delete everything right here, even this, delete this, and now our chart is a bit clear. It's a bit clear right now, so I can delete also this. It has already served the purpose. So currently we reacted from this very support level. Let's head over to daily and understand that level. Yeah, so this has also served the purpose. We can now delete it. We have reacted on that same level. So this is a very important, you can call it important, or a strong kind of support level on H4 time frame. That is on H4 time frame. I want to, sorry about that. Where is BTC, 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 BTC? All right, so we can do this. I want to see, yes, that is the support level right there. I wanted to see if I can have it on the daily. Let's see if it will actually still be the same thing. So let's look at it on the daily time frame. All right, it is the same thing. So perfect. So we know that we can actually use this H4 and daily time frame to understand that very support level. So this is a strong support level that we can see. It has held up price for several times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So price, whenever it gets to this level, it bounces off back to the other to the buys. So what we can now head over, what we can do now is head over back to H4. We are still selling, by the way, according to daily, we are still selling. So in as much as we are looking for buys, we know that this is just a retracement. You can clearly draw this and you will see that is now becoming some kind of a triangle right there, meaning price is going to go back right there and then come back again into sales. That's how BTC is moving. So it is within a consolidation according to daily time frame. Of course, even weekly you can see that. So going to H4, I know that I haven't reached oversold yet, so that means I'm just going to, this price is just going to go about a certain level there, and then later on come in with the sales again until probably we see price oversold according to CCI. So until then, I can now head over to H1 and see what I have on H1 if it confirms with what I'm interested in on H4. So you can clearly see the momentum. Just a minute, guys. Sorry about this. Let me pick this call. All right, so getting back to BTC. So on H1, if we were to look at price action, clearly we see that this is a resistance level and price has reached that level. But if you can see this is like a change of character, which is not that significant. This is our last lower high, and this is the last lower low, and price tried to break it. So that's why we can clearly see that this is a level where we anticipate sales from, because this is not that significant over. It's not that significant to be a change of character right here. So I will be looking for sales right on that very resistance level on H1. And of course, confirmation is on M15. You can clearly see that this will be our level that we'll be interested in. Once it is broken there, that means we have a change of character on M15, meaning we have shifted the trend according to M15. That means we'll be heading to sales, meaning we'll be seeing some things like this, market structure shifting to the buy, to the sell trend. That's what we'll be looking at. So until the breakout here happens, we have no entry at all. But of course, this is BTC, and we know we are in a bull run, the bull run period, so anything can happen. There might be a news that can trigger enough momentum to break out, because currently CCI is signifying continuation of buys up on H1. So we may not rule out buys still right now, because this is a Friday. Today is Friday, and most of the news happen on Friday, so anything can happen still. So if you see a liquidity grab or pull, whichever you want to call it, on such a level according to H1, please don't be surprised, because that's what a volatile asset like BTC can do when news come in place. So something like that. So you just have to be ready for whatever happens. That's how I can call. That's how I can briefly conclude on this very asset. That's a liquidity and imbalance that needs to be grabbed, needs to be corrected in the market. Yeah, according to H4 and H1, you can see that is a level, and of course, to confirm that area with our fib, you will clearly see that that area is the fib. Is the fair value gap in premium zone or in supply zone. So you can wait for that. You can wait for that, or you just wait for whatever happens, because this can happen today when news comes in, or the following days, the following coming days, after when price has reacted back to this very point. Yes, because if this doesn't happen, then price will first reach down below here according to H1 and H4, then it goes ahead to go to that very level. That's how it will be. So for now, I want to delete that and leave alone this to happen. Just wait for, if this happens on M15, then I'll gladly enter my sales to bring it down here. But if I see a breakout here, then I can immediately enter, because that will be news. That will be news affecting price to head over for that liquidity. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have had a great time, but that's what so far I can see in the market as far as BTC is concerned, and I believe there will be opportunities to make money before the week ends from this very asset. Yeah, this is not a genuine change of character or confirmed change of character. That's why the sales are highly anticipated on that very level right here to come in for sales. But like I said, this is a volatile asset, so if news come in, then the change of character may continue to come to manifest, and that means we will be seeing a liquidity grab on that very supply zone, which is a fair value gap right there. All right, let me wish you guys a good day. Hopefully you guys have had a good time. If you have a question, please don't hesitate. And if those who are just coming in, please, you can go back and rewatch the analysis properly once we close, or you can even do it right now. But as of now, I would love to call it a day, and I would want to remind you that the mentorship class of those who want to learn how to trade is ongoing, but you can register for FEB mentorship class. You can now go ahead and start to register for the FEB February mentorship class. The number to call is there on the poster. You can use that number to call or WhatsApp, and I'll be able to respond to you and have you registered for the class. Otherwise, for those who trade synthetics, we'll be back here on Monday. We'll be back here on Monday to Friday, 10:30 East African time. That's when we'll be back here for BTC, that's, you know, that is on Tuesday and Friday. That's when we meet here, just like this very session. We meet here every Tuesday and Friday at 1 p.m. East African time. Let me wish you guys a good day and a happy trading, and of course a happy weekend. See you next week. Bye bye from me.